the concept is okay. The concept is log keyword based escalation or alerts.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is your expectation, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So first step. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
first step, what you need to do in the log test, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in the log test, you need to do some filtering. Okay, croc filtering.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So with specific number of words.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. For example, if you have keywords like error, okay,
Error
check
warning
it.
or something. Mm.
Yeah, keywords like error, exception, stack trace, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
then warning or whatever words you will stack trace. Sometimes like throw, okay, or
Mm-hmm.
some other value, some specific value, some specific keywords, okay.
Mm-hmm.
First, you need to collect the keywords and you need to give it to the crop filter. Okay. So if the crop filter is matched, okay, if matched, okay, add one parameter in the lobster side. Okay, one parameter with flag value. Okay, with the flag value. So this flag value, right? You can give like as a if it is error means give one. If it is exception means you give another one like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if it is this one is a error, okay, you consider if this is a error, okay, then the flag is 5. Okay. If it is exception, okay, the flag value is 4. Okay. So if it is, for example, sometimes the web services are through the log, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like for not found. Okay, some of the services say it's not found, right?
Mm-hmm.
Flag is you mark it 5. Okay, likewise, you will create a log.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in the log test. Okay, so at the end, you push the data.
Mm-hmm.
Push the data, all the data into Elasticsearch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now the Elasticsearch index, right?
Mm-hmm.
Single index. So a single document in the index should have. So it looks like single document in the index is looks like okay. It have two things. One is a message, real content. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
then another one is flag. Okay, it
Mm-hmm.
is a error flag. We make it as a error flag.
Mm-hmm.
So this two you will get it in the single document.
Okay.
So this is a very first step you need to
Mm-hmm.
do for log keyword based alert. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
first step in the Elastic in the Logster site, whatever thing you are receiving, okay, whatever message you are receiving, you just verify against your specific keywords. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and make your own variable or own parameter. Okay, here I create a error flag. Okay, now my single document have this one. Based on this error flag, we can create our alerts,
Mm-hmm.
threshold alerts. No need to go for advanced one. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so if you want to go advanced one, that time you need to make it as a the keyword, which are the keyword is matched. You mentioned the keywords also as a separate parameter, like third parameter, like you will find out extract matched keywords. Okay, you mark it at this word. Okay, you
Mm-hmm.
make it this one. So because the alert, right, you can do it by using the error flag. If it is error flag is 5 more than a three times in a last 30 minutes, you can trigger the alerts. Okay, this is a one way. So on another one way, based on a keyword, for example, if it is keyword is error and the count is 5 means trigger the alert. If the keyword is exception and count is 2 means trigger the alerts. So you can multiple condition and multiple logic you can write here. Okay. So this is the second step. Okay. So second step. So in the second step, you need to create a watcher. Okay. You need to create a watcher. So in the watcher, okay, you need to mention the interval. Okay. Sometimes because this is a error kind of things, right? So most probably people like to give 10 to 15 minutes frequency. Every 10 to 15 minutes, the log, whatever content the document is created, we need to verify whether the keyword error log is present or not. Okay. So this is one. And then two. Okay. Your condition. Okay. So your condition already I told. You take count. Error flag count.
Okay.
Error flag count. Okay. So you can take it this one. So how many documents have the error flag? Okay, because whenever the error or keyword match, that time only you have the parameter error flag. Okay. So for example, last 15 minutes, I received almost 100 documents in the index. Okay. Of 100 documents, there is a 40 documents have the error flag attributes. Okay. That means there is a 40 lines come with the error. Okay. So this is the one way you can trigger the alert. Okay. You can specify the threshold. Out of 15 minutes, if it is more than 15 documents come with the error flag, you can trigger the alert. This is the one kind of alert mechanism. Okay. Okay. So and another one way, weightage of error flag. Okay. This is a very important way actually. Okay. So in the step one, right? In the step one, we noted that if it is error means the weightage is 5. If it is exception, we give weightage is 4. Okay. So here we can verify with weightage. Okay. The last 15 minutes, my error weightage is 5 and occurrence is 10 means trigger the alert. Okay. So here we are using both the things. What are the things? One is a weightage and occurrence. So this is only occurrence. Here we verify only occurrence.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a two-way. You can simplify your alert mechanism. Okay. And then very specific alerts, because a lot of application people, right? They want to get some specified alerts, like their application they already know, because the application developer know, right? They are writing the box, so they know the keywords. Okay. Instead of error exception, if you are receiving this message, trigger the alert. Because this kind of thing, which are the place people may use. For example, if you take SMS service kind of application, okay, someone using my gateway, my SMS gateway, okay, so now they are requested, I triggered the SMS, okay, but I just get it, the SMS does not send. Okay, here instead of they are getting a error or exception, their functionality getting the issue. Okay. Means the functionality does not work. Okay. So here, then they put one statement, right? SMS not sent. This is a specific keyword. Okay. When that specific keyword, we can verify whether last 15 minutes, if it is specific keyword present in the application log, trigger the alert. Without seeing any occurrence, without seeing anything, any weightage, If it is last 15-minute window, if it is any text, whichever I am looking as a very critical, if that text is present in the log, immediately trigger the alert. This is a third way. Okay, in general, application user request this kind of things. Okay, there's a third way is specific message or specific text in the log documents. Okay, so the people never see the occurrence or anything. If it is specific, for example, mostly the web service guys, right? They can write a statement. This web service down, this web service up. They are using also. Okay. So from the log file, if it is one of the web services down, means immediately we can trigger. Okay, this one. Okay. So this is a specific text based. Okay. And then another one category is wildcard based searching. Okay. So mainly, which environment the people are using is who are in the security and audit log. Okay, so that is a very important nowadays because sensitive information should not present in the log is a mandatory one for the industry. Okay, so the audit log, right? Whatever logs we created, if it is so audit purpose or some security purpose, okay, audit or security purpose. Audit or security purpose. So we can verify the pattern, like if it is any phone number or any account number or any credit card number or any email or any person detail. Okay. So those information exist or not. If it is those information coming in the log, if we alert them, then they can update their application. This is the audit and security people replicate this kind of alerts. Okay.
Okay.
So sensitive information based alert. Okay. And then, okay. So and then every industry, right? They have certain factors. Like this application should generate this much amount of log only. Okay. For example, this application should generate only 10 MB log. If it is more than 10 MB, they never plan. Okay, for example, I am saying the small size only. Okay, because in every industry they are using lot amount of applications, 100 plus 200 plus application. So they can use some one log area. Okay, so in that log area they allocated some specific spaces. If the space is full up, then there is a problem happening. That impact happen in the application as well. Okay, all that they are verifying whether the particular log files giving this much amount of data per day or per hour. Okay, for example, per hour, this is a log size. Okay, log size based alert. Okay, if it is log size 1 MB per hour. Okay, so this kind of alert condition also people are using. Okay, at last. So you are not receiving any log for the particular time period. Okay, you're not receiving. That is also a critical.
Correct.
Okay, so when is it production, in a production environment, definitely we are getting some logs. Okay, if not getting logs, that time also the people are alerting. So these are the scenarios you can mention your condition. So you are understanding, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now we know that what are the condition is possible. Okay, and then we will take it action. Okay, so everything should have different kind of actions. Okay, so most probably this is a log, right? So SMS and email kind of notification or flag or ERA. Okay, so this four, from my perspective, it is very important actions. Okay, so this is your step 2. Now, so by using this step 1 and step 2, right? From the step 2, we just easily create a watcher in the Kibana. Okay. So that is very easy. You don't need to mention any advanced search, advanced kind of watcher. You don't need to create. You can use simplified one.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
because now you can mention like error flag count is this much or weightage. So you can use this two. You can use any. You don't require anything, any other thing like any advanced kind of configuration. Even
Hmm.
though for this two also. Okay.
Hmm.
So only thing, the specific text in the log and then audit, right? This to write this required some more condition you need to mention.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So that purpose only you need to go advanced.
Okay. What is difference between advanced and this one?
Yeah,
Normal?
for advanced, for normal alert, right? Normal watcher configuration, right? In that one, they give the statements like from which index, which parameter, what you verify. You are verifying max count, min count, or average count, like
Uh-huh.
that.
Correct,
Okay.
correct.
Also, if you want to equal this value are matching, you can do it in the normal alert configuration. In
Hmm.
advanced alert, whatever you can, because that one, right, you will give the query, DSL query. Okay. So
Uh-huh.
previous, the normal one is a UI kind of configuration. There is no need for a technical knowledge. Okay.
Uh-huh.
But when you are doing advanced configuration, the watcher configuration, you require DSL knowledge. Okay. Without DSL knowledge, you can't do that one, because
Okay.
this condition, right, for this condition we will write a DSL query. In
Uh-huh.
general, how we are doing the get such query, right?
Correct, correct.
Under the, how we are putting the query statement, right?
Hmm.
That query statement we need to give clear. Okay, for the advanced one. Okay, and as well as in a normal configuration. Okay, so you can't manage the messages, the output response. But
Hmm.
in the advanced, right, you can manage your message content. Okay. So
Hmm.
like for SMS, right, you can mention, okay, this is application name, this is a log file, this is kind of error we are receiving. Okay. So you need to mention in the message body, you need to go with the advanced configuration.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So that's the difference between the normal alert and the advanced one.
Got it. You got it.
Okay. Okay. Now we will see. Now this portion you understand, right?
Yes, yes, got it, well, bro.
Okay. We'll go to that another one. You connected file bit, right?
File bit is not there. A metric bit is there.
You have the metric bit. Okay.
File bit is
Okay.
there, but I don't. It is not working for me properly.
Oh, okay. Okay. You are not configured properly. Yeah.
You just check, man.
Yeah, yeah, we will check. We will check. First, whatever we have, we will see
Okay,
that one.
okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Okay. So, what is your index? Get cat index.
Metric bit.
Jesus. Okay. Okay. This one, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now I receive. I just verify whether we are receiving data or not. Okay, we are receiving data. Okay. Now we will configure simplest one first. Okay. I
Mm-hmm.
just tell you simplest one. I clicked management, but it is not still clicked.
Taking time. Yeah.
Oh, it is slow actually. Okay, okay, okay. It is coming. Okay, now I go to watcher. Really, it is very slow.
Very slow, man.
Okay, okay. So now create. Okay, create. So in the create threshold alert, create advanced watch. Okay,
Mm.
so we will go with this one first. Create
Okay.
threshold alert. Okay. From this we will increase advanced one. Okay, we can easily
Okay.
get. Okay, so this one maybe I will give us a CPU. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
CPU threshold. threshold. Okay. So index, what kind of index I need to use? I need to mention. So I will use metric beat. This one, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. I will give. Okay. So for alerts, right? It's a very important one is time field. Okay, because here the first condition is we need to mention the interval, right? Every 30 minutes, every 50 minutes. So that time we need to mention, okay, so I am verifying this, but this time range for my monitoring. Okay, so for that we required time field. Okay, so here time field is at timestamp. Okay, in general for a metric bit or file bit or something. Okay, so how many? That's whenever it need to be run. Okay, I will mention every 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes the watcher need to be run. Okay, and then here. Okay, so all the document is above. You can click anything. Okay, for I just click this one. So I want to verify last 10 minutes always. Okay, so whenever the watcher run, it will be verified before 10 minutes data. Okay, so what kind of data I want to verify? Okay, first one. Okay, first we will, instead of doing the CPU threshold, service up or down. Okay, because I told, right, if you are not receiving anything, that is a critical also. Okay,
yeah,
so that one we can verify via a normal threshold alert itself. Okay, so you see the count. I will just verify the count. Okay, so okay, this count function is fine. Count. I was count all the document is above. Okay, it is metric bit. So at least it give 10 metrics at least. Okay. So if less than, okay, if less than, okay, because when we put the 10, it means if it is more than 10, raise a alert. That is not a correct way, right? If it is below 10, that time need to raise alert. You see, the count is always 132 or something around. So if it is go less than 10 for a last 10 minutes, that means you are not receiving anything. That's the main thing. Okay. And then add action. Okay, here we can do multiple actions. Okay. So we can push it into index. We can do it in a Jira or webhook, Slack, or login. Okay. So any webhook is present for alert. Okay, so we will put it index. You have any Slack?
No, I don't have.
You don't have, right? So okay, we will go with the index. Okay. For now, that is the easiest way. Okay, here we will put index so this is a service down, right? So we will put it in the service down index. Okay, so now we are configured very basic alert.
Yeah.
Okay, now what we do, we will just verify show request. Okay, you just copy this one.
Okay.
Okay, paste. Okay, so you just, okay, what is the difference you are asking, right? So what is the difference between the normal and one and this one? Okay, in the normal one, it's for non-technical people. Okay, the advanced alert is for technical people. Okay, so in the alerts also, these are the things is present inside the advanced one: the condition, transformation, action, everything.